Hey guys, welcome to Quick Tech Take. This is some studio lights I bought. They are known as floodlights. I got them on Amazon for about $52 or $53. I shipped the lights to Nigeria through my US and it all came the way the manufacturer sent it to them, which I'm glad this one did. A couple of them didn't fare so well. So this is what you get in the box. So let's set that. So I actually ordered 2 units, so we're just gonna set this aside and focus on this because both of them are actually the same thing. So as you can see, in case you wanna read anything on the box, it's just an RGB light. You control it with your smartphone. I don't think it comes with a remote. It's energy rating. Here's what you have at the back. I think this is how it can connect to your smartphone, and a barcode to scan on the side of the box. So let's take it out and see what's inside. First out of the box is a pretty chunky cable. Okay, so an empty box set on the side, and this should be the manual on how it's connected. So just in case you're interested in reading the manual online, this is it. So this is the light itself. Okay, as you can see, there are different colors of LEDs inside. I believe it's an RGBW variant, which means it has red, green, blue, and white LEDs. Obviously, I can't tell which is which from this. I'm trying to get it from an angle without reflection from this, from the colors and in there. But I'm going to turn it on and see how well it lights. It's made of metal, pretty sturdy connection. It's rated at 120 volts, which means if you live in the rest of the world apart from America and Japan, I believe you have to get a step down transformer to make it work. So when I bought this, I knew I had to get a step down transformer because here in Nigeria we normally get 220, 240, or worst case scenario 180. So which will still be enough to probably pop it on first try. So I'm gonna connect it, or that was what I saw on Amazon, but I'm gonna check through the manual if it supports up to 220 volts. By the way, I'll be doing a video series on how to shop electronics from the US, things to watch out for and things not to buy in order not to get yourself into sneaky situations. So this is it. It's made from metal. It's pretty sturdy. Hope you can hear that. So I have to like, you're losing these grooves so it can stand and give light. So it's 15 watts and IP66, which means you can withstand rainfall. So that's some pretty good rating for outside lighting system. I plan on using this inside my studio, so I don't think this boy is gonna be seeing any rain. Considering what I spent on it, it won't be seeing any rain.